As preppers and homesteaders, we always look forward to Prepper Camp each year, and Prepper Camp 2025 was a success. It was filled with so many wonderful things, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. While driving into the campground area, I could still see parts of the road that hasn't been fixed, trees down, and other effects from the Hurricane Helene storm that happened 1 year ago. It was sad to see so many homes destroyed, people's lives lost, and people still in need of basic things that the hurricane took from them. While driving in, the weather was good, but unfortunately it did rain on us briefly while setting up our selling tent. We helped others get their items under their own tents and waited until the speakers meeting at 6:30. It is just so much fun to see so many people who I now call family. The speakers, the event staff, and others who always put so much time and effort into making every year great. The next day, which was Friday, we hit the ground running. At 7 a.m., people were lined up waiting for us to unzip the tent and to see what all I had for sale. This year, I brought a laminated herbal cheat sheet, a bunch of tinctures for pain, muscle spasms, cold and flu, immunity, etc., and my brand new book that was just published last month. If you haven't gotten a copy, I would look into getting one very soon. They sold like hotcakes. It is 586 pages of what Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. I'll put a link to it in the description if you are interested. We saw all different types of people from all around the world. The farthest that we could determine was from Australia. Everyone was eager to learn, with classes every hour and your choice of 8 to 10 different classes. You could expand your knowledge base on prepping and homesteading classes and walk away with so many new skills. Saturday afternoon, 4 people jumped in the lake and was baptized, and after the classes on Saturday, everyone gets together at the big tent to meet up and reminisce, laugh, and enjoy each other's company. The speakers even got a mini chainsaw. That is because last year during Hurricane Helene, a group of prepper campers set out on a mission to cut the downed trees from the campground all the way to I-26 and make a path so that everyone could get in and out of prepper camp. They were successful and even helped clear the road for a pregnant lady that needed to go to the hospital. 5 Times August played a few songs, and Rick and Jane Austin, the ones to make prepper camp happen, gave plenty of hugs and thanks to everyone. We did have a bit of rain on Saturday, but it wasn't long before it cleared up. There was just a little bit of mud. Nothing like last year though. We packed up on Sunday after the last class and headed home. What a weekend! If you have never experienced prepper camp at least once in your life, you truly are missing out. The tickets for 2026 will go on sale right after Thanksgiving. Hurry and get your tickets ASAP. You can RV camp or tent camp if you want. However, we always just get a hotel room, and that works out best for us. I do not get any promotional incentive to advertise prepper camp. I just love it that much and hate for anyone to ever miss out on it. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.